Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics out there: how to turn $100 into $1,000 with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for smarter ways to grow your money, this step-by-step guide is for you. And don't worry, we're keeping it practical, realistic, and motivational. Let's get started. Why cryptocurrency? Well, crypto has created some of the most incredible wealth-building stories in recent years. Think about it: people who invested just a few $100s in Bitcoin or Ethereum years ago are now millionaires. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a millionaire to start. With just $100, you can begin your journey to financial freedom. Now, I know what you're thinking: is it too late to get into crypto? Absolutely not! The crypto market is still young, and there are tons of opportunities if you know where to look. Let me show you how. Step 1. Do your research. Cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also volatile. You need to understand what you're investing in. Start by learning the basics. What is Bitcoin? What are altcoins? What's the difference between a coin and a token? There are tons of free resources online, including this channel, so take advantage of them. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Step 2. Start small and smart. With $100, you're not going to buy a whole Bitcoin, and that's okay. Instead, focus on smaller, promising projects. Look for cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals, solid technology, a clear use case, and an active community. Some great options for beginners include Ethereum, Cardano, or even smaller coins like Polygon or Chainlink. Pro tip: don't put all your money into one coin. Diversify your $100 across 2-3 different projects to spread the risk. Step 3. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing your $100 all at once, spread it out over time. For example, invest $25 every week for 4 weeks. This strategy helps you avoid buying at the peak and reduces the impact of market volatility. It's a simple but powerful way to grow your investment steadily and safely. Step 4. Stay patient and disciplined. Crypto markets can be wild. Prices go up and down all the time. But don't let short-term fluctuations scare you. Stick to your plan and remember why you started. The key is to think long-term. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and over time, it grows into something amazing. Your $100 can grow too, but you've got to give it now. Now, let's talk about motivation. Did you know that some of the biggest success stories in crypto started with just a few $100s? Take Eric Finman, for example. He invested $1,000 in Bitcoin when he was just 12 years old. By the time he was 18, he was a millionaire. Or consider the thousands of people who invested in Ethereum during its early days and are now living their dream lives. The point is, it's not about how much you start with, it's about taking that first step. Your $100 could be the beginning of something incredible. Step 5. Reinvest your profits. Once your $100 starts growing, don't just cash out. Reinvest a portion of your earnings to compound your gains. For example, if your $100 turns into $200, consider reinvesting $50 into another promising project. This way, you're constantly growing your portfolio. Remember, the goal isn't just to turn $100 into $1,000. It's to keep building from there. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips and warnings. First, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is high risk, high reward. Second, always secure your investments with a hardware wallet or a trusted exchange. And finally, stay updated on market trends and news. The crypto world moves fast, and staying informed is crucial. Alright, that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to turning $100 into $1,000 and maybe even more. Remember, every big success starts with a small step. So take that step today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to start your crypto journey, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big and investing smart. Bye.